which we can discuss with respect to the overall economy. Obviously, you have been all very busy post-Eid, covering number of subjects, also on the energy side as well. So a few things which I want to discuss, and of course, then we will get into the question and answer session, and of course, I will try my level best to answer any queries that you might have as we go forward. तो पहले आई थिंक मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी से शुरू करते हैं, बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ द डिस्कशन हैज़ बिन कि मुआशी इस्तेहकाम जो है वो मुल्क में आ चुका है. और फ्राम माई पर्सपेक्टिव आई ऑलवेज सेड दैट कि जो मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी की हम बात करते हैं या मुआशी इस्तेहकाम की बात करते हैं, इट्स नॉट एन एंड इन इटसेल्फ, इट्स अ मीन्स टू एन एंड. It's about basic hygiene. Any economy has to have these elements before it goes forward. And I'll come back to that because we have been at these periods and at these moments number of times in the last few years as well. और so उस पर मैं एक मिनट में वापस आता हूँ. लेकिन जो मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी की और समरात की जो है मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ कि why is it important? On the external front, what we have seen is FX stability. What we have seen is rising foreign exchange reserves on the back of very strong remittances, and you have seen that for the first 2 months of Q3 in this fiscal year as well. They are up 32% year on year. और अभी मार्च का भी नंबर आया है. Of course, the Eid factor and the Ramzan factor is there, but if we stay on this trajectory, so inshallah we'll get to about $36 billion or thereabouts of annual remittance flows in this country, which would be an all-time high, a record high, inshallah. Exports are holding firm, about roughly 7% growth on that front as well. And on the back of that, we are quite confident that the FX reserves by the time we get to end of June will be a little over $13 billion, which puts us in a good stead in a number of ways. Now, why this is important? First of all, for international trade, जो local LCs हमने खोलनी है, उसका उसकी जो हमने settlement करनी है, so that जो import-led डिस्कशन है और इम्पोर्ट्स पे जो हमारी इकोनॉमी जहाँ जहाँ उनको ज़रूरत है, whether it's on the machinery side, whether it's other essential commodities, उसमें कोई रुकावट ना आए. Equally important is everything which was which had stopped in the middle because of our FX and balance of payment situation, ensuring that everything around dividends, profit repatriations, etc., have gone out, and we are back into a BEU status, and that's very critical. That's very critical. The first part was very critical for the domestic industry. The second part is very critical for our existing international investors. If you want to bring in more FDI back into the country, then we need to ensure that our existing international investors are in a good place in terms of what they need to do from a transactional perspective. तो ये तो बात हो गई on the external front. अब domestic front में obviously दो चीज़ें बड़ी important हैं. एक जो inflation की बात है, and I do think it's a very important part, and the fact that whatever was said earlier in the week, that we are now down to 0.7%, which is at a 6 decades low, and we are moving in the right direction in terms of headline and the core inflation as well. But it is also equally important that we ensure that this inflation helps us in number of ways, but also the benefit of this passes on to the common man. तो जो बार बार बात होती है कि आम आदमी में की ज़िंदगी में या आम खातून की ज़िंदगी में क्या फ़र्क आया है, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ वेरी क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चन, और ये गवर्नमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि ये जो हम जो इन्फ्लेशन में कमी आई है इसको हम पास ऑन करें। तो उसमें मैं आपको ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि कैबिनेट की बड़ी क्लियर डायरेक्शन है कि ईसीसी विल हैव एंड विल कीप ए वेरी क्लोज रिव्यू ऑन द इसेंशियल कमोडिटीज़। ये 51 है इन जो एसपीआई का इंडेक्स है, आप सब मेरे से बेहतर जानते हैं, इसमें 51 कमोडिटीज़ हैं। सो इफ़ आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट द लास्ट वीक, 26 of these items were stable, 10 went down and 15 went up. The items which went up were chicken, उसमें कुछ ऑयल का डिस्कशन था, कुछ और उसमें एलिमेंट्स थे, शुगर का था, but otherwise 10 commodities have come down, and we are very monitoring it very closely so that the जो भी impact है, और ख़ास तौर पे जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव हमने इस पे मेजर्स लेने हैं, वो ईसीसी विल गाइड both the federal ministries, and we will work in conjunction with the provinces and the chief secretaries to ensure कि ये इसका impact जो है वो अच्छी तरह जो इन्फ्लेशन का और उसके लोअरिंग इन्फ्लेशन है उसका impact goes down. So I just want to let you know कि इसका एक institutionalized mechanism is now in place in terms of monitoring of these prices. The second part of it is obviously the markup or the interest rate. CIBOR is now around 12%. So उसमें इंडस्ट्री को जो फ़ायदा है वो तो अपनी जगह है, 22% plus etc. Was what was there about a year back, and CIBOR coming down, especially for those companies, those entities which are leveraged, it's a huge relief for them in terms of debt servicing and their plans for future investment as well. My personal view, there's room to do more in terms of bringing these rates down, and every central bank is worried about the last mile, and we have to be respectful around the autonomy of the State Bank and the Monetary Policy Committee, but I think from our perspective there's room to do more during the course of this year to bring the rates down further. So I think वो उसमें जो है वो further इजाफा होगा. Now on the back of this, जो मैं कुछ data points देना चाहता हूँ कि जो surveys की बात हुई है around the business confidence, the investor confidence, the consumer confidence. So business confidence is not us, not the government saying this. I would और उसमें मैंने पहले भी बात की है, जो कुछ सर्वेज आए हैं पिछले 3 से 4 महीने में, उसमें एक मैं PwC का जिक्र करना चाहूँगा जो उनका सर्वे आया है. The top CEOs of this country have said that the economic growth prospects have gone up to 83%. This is on the back of 49%. That was the number last year. So from a domestic investor confidence perspective, it's very critical, because हम FDI की बात करते हैं, लेकिन जब हमारे लोकल CEOs, लोकल स्पॉन्सर्स इस मुल्क में इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू करेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट भी आएगी. सो फ्रॉम माय पर्सपेक्टिव ये जो PwC का सर्वे है इज़ वेरी इंकरेजिंग. द सेकंड वन इज़ द ओवरसीज चेंबर, जिनका सर्वे आपने पहले देखा है, उसके बारे में आपने बात भी की है, एंड हाउ द from their perspective the business confidence has that index has gone up by 9%, and it's important that we keep a very close eye both on the domestic investors and our foreign investors. जो stock market है, I mean you have seen that how that has rallied. It's an important data point, and I do think जिस तरह उसकी capitalization बढ़ी है, और मैंने पहले भी उसका जिक्र किया है कि it's not only about the increase in the capitalization, but the fact that the new investors are coming into the stock market. That to me is a very critical thing, because we have to diversify a funding base away from banks and other things, and really take it into the capital markets. So I think this is a very critical aspect, and hopefully there will be more investors coming in, and hopefully there will be more supply coming in terms of more IPOs and debt securities going into into the stock market. Now, a few more data points in terms of how we seeing or how we have seen the first quarter and the first half of this year.